Hey guys, I'm Okita and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be reviewing this drawing eyebrow pencil which is from Etude House. Etude House is a Korean makeup brand and it is recently launched on Nykaa. So let's start. Subscribe to Rocking Girls and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. I'm trying this brand for the first time, that's why I thought to share my opinion with you guys. Actually, I ordered some other stuff from this brand but yet not received them. So back to the point, they have come up with 7 different shades and I picked 05 gray. The price of this product is 260 and you get 0.25 grams of product. So this is the pencil look like. Here they mention the shade. It is a dual ended pencil and the color coded side you get the product and on the other side you get the spoolie. This spoolie is very soft and it doesn't feel harsh on my brows as well. This definer has triangle kind of shape which is very similar to the Nykaa Brow Girl brow definer. At first I do my outline and filling the gap using this product and then smudge everything using the spoolie which give me a very natural looking brow. I pick 05 Grey which is perfect for fair to medium Indian skin tones and here you get 7 options so that you can choose your perfect shade. 05 Grey is ideal for regular use with your no makeup look or light makeup. This pencil is a bit stiff and it has very light pigmentation so that you can build your color very easily. It is water resistant and it smudge very slightly. I would like to say that the smudging property is negligible. That's all for today. Hope you guys like this review and I'll highly recommend this product for you guys. If you guys already used this product, please let me know your experience about this product. And if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.